Alright, okay. Let's see what all the hype is about then with the mid-tower ATX case, which supports micro ATX and mini ATX from my reading that I've seen. So this is a fish tank style case, but I haven't really seen anyone actually unbox it, so I might as well show you what the process is like. So let's get to it. How the fuck do I open it? Alright, now. This is my mini knife be here. Okay. Okay, interesting. Which is the best way to get this out? This way, maybe? Or do we give it the old put it on its side method? Let's do it this way. Okay. Let me make sure it's the right way up beforehand. Okay, so this is what it comes in like. So it looks like it's quite well protected. Hopefully I didn't press that top panel too hard then when I was taking it out, but I think it should be fine. Let's have a look. Ooh, weird feeling. I think that was just like static. Oh no, it's that like new plastic feeling. Alright, let's have a look then. Oh, okay, the excitement is rising right now, I have to admit. Alright, let's have a look what we got then. Very nice. Wow, look at that. That actually looks very cool. Okay, you know what? So you guys can see this a bit better. Let's put it up higher. Let's put it on here. And the Brooks be here, and now, there we go, we can have a really good look. Okay, so we have protected film on, which is really good. Film on this side, film on that side. Not sure if there's film on the inside, we'll have to have a look. But at first glance, it looks very cool. So when you first try to open it, be careful because it is actually a tape down here slightly. So this tape down the bottom actually needs to come off in order for you to actually get off the secondary panel. Okay, so there doesn't seem to be a notch at the back here like there is here. See, there's a little notch there. If we look at the back here, there doesn't seem to be a notch. So this is a little bit different to take off. Oh, it's very snug, but I guess that's better than bad. That's good. So this is what I wanted to see what the stability was like. Oh, much more solid than I thought. By the way, this is the cardboard moving here. Like, that actually feels very solid on its own. Okay, so stability, I was actually a little bit hesitant, but it turns out that actually feels quite stable. So yeah, let's have a little look around this then. So I'll put the panels on. Well, you know what, I'll leave the panels off for a minute. So you've got access to the underneath down here, which is great. So I guess that's where the PSU goes and all that stuff, which is spot on. All of this in here is cooling. You can see there's loads of room for cooling and fans and all sorts of different things. Got the rubber grommets, obviously, which is really good, which you usually only find in expensive cases. This case is only about £50 right now in the UK. RGB fans as well, which is amazing. And you have a magnetic cover on the top as well, which is really nice. So let's have a little look now. Let me get these panels out of the way so we can have a slightly better look. Okay, so let's have a little look. This is what we got. Looks like you've got multiple different holes there, which is good news. Yeah, it's pretty tight, but I guess that's good. I haven't got a screwdriver right now. Oh, no, we can do it, we can do it. We can do it, indeed. This slides off. There we go. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Really cool. Well, it looks like a thumbs up from me, guys, honestly. I'm going to put this back together now, but as an unboxing goes and how this case feels stability-wise, looks good from me. Does not look cheap, does not feel cheap. The only thing I can say is compared to like a LAN Cool, you know, those type of ones, the LLAN Cool types of cases, or Corsair or something like that, this feels maybe a tiny percentage cheaper, but not in looks, just in terms of feel. But apart from that, it doesn't actually feel like cheap, though, if that makes sense. It just feels slight, you know, it feels like they had to make tiny cut somewhere. But yeah, apart from that, guys, yeah, it's really good. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Hope it give you some insight about if you should get this or not. Anyway, guys, make sure to subscribe and have a great day.